Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this scrolling screen effect. Clip 1. Take a video of yourself scrolling and selecting a song. Clip 2. Take a video of yourself scrolling through your playlist. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your video into InShot. Press PIP and import your screen recording. Press Autofill to fit to screen. Tap Blend and select Screen. Now scroll to where you put on your earbuds, split the clip and delete the front portion. And you'll get something like this. Have you used InShot's blend feature? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.